We've got Jeffrey Epstein, who's dead, Ghislaine Maxwell, who's serving time in prison. She did give that statement under oath to the Department of Justice recently in time, and we know that then she was transferred out to a less security prison, if you want to call it that. I mean, I think the bigger question here is, what is anybody hiding and who is hiding that, right? Because if you're not releasing this material when one person's dead, the other person convicted, why is it still not public?
Okay, since you brought it up, I mean, let's go with what I believe is supported on the record.
Okay.
Congress has subpoenaed Bob Barr, or Robert Barr, the former AG. His dad, I believe, is reported to have been the person who gave Epstein one of his first jobs. The prosecutor who gave Epstein his sweet deal ended up on Trump's cabinet in Trump's first term. When Trump was on TV famously saying the Epstein client list is a hoax, the person right next to him, to his side, is somebody who bought a house from Epstein and lived next door to him. Mm-hmm. So, I mean, you bring up who's got something to hide. It seems like that a lot of very powerful people have something to hide. But the question is,
well, I mean, the association, I hear what you're saying, Joseph, but like we've seen pictures of Jeffrey Epstein with pretty much everyone that's someone in this country, from Bill Clinton to Donald Trump, you name it, and everything in between. When you're in those echelons of power and money, you come into a very tight-knit circle of people with equal or similar power and money. So I hear you on the association, but does that mean more, I think, is a bigger question here.
I think it does mean more. I mean, let's not forget that when the FBI raided Epstein's houses, they found lots of videos and lots of storage devices, electronic media storage devices, and that really hasn't come to light. And really, a lot of people don't talk about that. And there was a delay between when the FBI went and kind of served the warrant, mm-hmm. and when they were able to take possession of those devices, and that raises more questions. So, mm-hmm. I mean, we have devices. Everybody knows about them, and it's kind of fallen away from law enforcement's focus right now.
All right. So we'll see. You say that with this discharge letter, then everything will be made public, no questions asked?
Yes. I mean, the bill has been criticized for being, inartfully written, but, mm-hmm. By the power structure, basically. And so, yes, if the discharge petition gets enough signatures, it will come out of the committee's hands. Okay. And to some degree, the committee can be characterized as gatekeepers here. Mm-hmm. They're not releasing, they're trying to placate the public, but they're not releasing the true information. And the public wants it. Yeah.
I mean, every document that seems to be out there, but released by the committee at least, was already out there. So it doesn't seem as there's anything new to uncover. We'll wait and see, as I'm sure, like to your point, there's so many people waiting with eagle eye to make sure that this comes out and they can analyze that stuff. Joseph, thank you. All right, another beautiful day. Let's check in with Caitlin Roth here. Today we are going to Ocean City, Maryland.